We often say, I can't think clearly because I didn't sleep. And most of the time, we assume this is just fatigue, but recent research suggests something deeper. Sleep debt is not simply tiredness, it is structural. In January 2026, a study published in PNAS reported that sleep deprivation reduces the thickness of myelin in the brain's white matter. Myelin is the protective sheath around nerve fibers. It allows signals to travel quickly and accurately. When myelin becomes thinner, signal transmission slows. Reaction time decreases. Focus weakens. Emotional regulation becomes unstable. This is not a mood issue, it is a physical change. The same study also showed that sleep deprivation disrupts cholesterol transport in the brain. Cholesterol is a key building block of myelin. When transport slows, the materials needed for repair do not arrive efficiently. The insulation around neural wiring becomes thinner, signals leak, communication delays occur. And here is the important part. This is not something that resets in one night. Myelin is structure. Structure takes time to build, and it takes time to rebuild. Sleeping longer on the weekend may improve how you feel, but subjective relief is not the same as structural recovery. Sleep debt is not accumulated fatigue. It is delayed infrastructure maintenance. It is reduced signal speed. It is a gradual weakening of the brain's communication network. This is why sleep is not passive rest. It is infrastructure maintenance. If this topic resonates with you, I have prepared a written report titled 7 Quiet Habits That May Support Long-Term Brain Health. It explores sleep not as a lifestyle preference, but as a structural foundation for cognitive resilience. You can access it through the link in the description below. How you treat sleep is not about today's comfort. It is about protecting tomorrow's structure.